Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through how to withdraw bits from Bitdegree, those points you've been earning while leveling up your Web3 knowledge. First up, let's clear this up. Bits aren't a cryptocurrency you send to a wallet. They're in-game points on Bitdegree's platform earned through missions, the Web3 exam, or referrals. They boost your degree level, which ties into winning prizes like USDT, NFTs, or of course credits like lucky draws. So withdrawing means paying their reward system. Head to the bitdegree.com and sign in. Use your email, Google, or a wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase. Once you're in, click your profile in the top right corner, usually to see your bits total and degree level. This is your starting point, so make sure you've got some bits stacked up from activities. And here's where bits come into play. Lucky draws. Go to the missions or rewards tab on the site. You'll see active prize pools, maybe 30k in USDT, exclusive NFTs, or course discounts. Your bits don't get spent. They determine your degree level, like bronze or gold, which sets how many entries you get in these draws. Higher bits, higher rank, better odds, it's that simple. If luck's on your side and you win, Bitdegree will notify you via email with a redeem code and steps. For crypto like USDT, you'll need to head to an exchange, Binance, Kraken, whatever you like, log in and enter the code to claim it to your wallet. NFTs might go straight to connected wallets and course credits apply on site. Follow the instructions exactly and you'll have your prize in no time. So to up your gain, earn more bits, do daily missions, ace the Web3 exam, and refer friends for 400 bits each. Check the winners page on your inbox to see if you've won. No luck yet? Keep grinding. That's how you withdraw bits from Bitdegree, stack them, anti-lucky draw, and snag real rewards like crypto or NFTs. It's a fun way to learn and win, not a direct cash out. Give it a shot and let me know your wins in the comments. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.